Hi, Cancer. Welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And as promised, here's your Valentine's Day special bonus read, where we're going to be tapping into your person's energy, Cancer, and see what's really going on in their heart space. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear from their partner today. Thank you. So, Cancer, whether your partner's sitting there in the same house with you or miles and miles apart, what is it that they're feeling now, and what is it that they're not telling you? Some people have a little bit of a problem really expressing themselves. So, let's tap into their energy now and see what is it that they could say if they could, they would say. So, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So, here are three cards which we'll open now. Bottom of my deck. Oh my God, somebody is feeling abandoned and left out in the cold here, Cancer. Overall energy. But before I open these cards, Cancer, this time we're not taking a angel blessing card because I've pulled one out for you already from the universe, from my angels, and from me here at Omkara. Wish you lots of love from us, and wish you a beautiful day. Happy Valentine's. Now let's see what's going on here. Knight of Wands, Three of Wands, and the Four of Cups. Maybe somebody was behaving like a player in the past, Cancer, and you decided to turn your back on them and see what else is out there. Now this person is feeling none of their other options have really worked out. They're feeling bored, they're feeling neglected, they're feeling abandoned and miserable right now. Let's see. And please keep in mind, sometimes energies do flip. So if this is not your person, this could be you feeling that way, Cancer. But I truly feel this is the way your person is feeling about you. So, Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. Yes, Cancer, this person was, I think, in and out of your life all the time, not making any decisions, sometimes would enter your life and then leave as quickly, I think, running off to their next big project or their next adventure. They never really kind of propelled this relationship forward when the time was right, never offered this stability that should have been offered to take this relationship to the next level, which has made, I think, you, Cancer, very upset and very angry. And I think you've turned your back on this person. Three of Wands. Three of Wands. Yes, for once you realize that this is not going to give you the happily ever after, Cancer, I think they feel that you are no longer interested in them and you've drained out that cup of love. This is your card, the Queen of Cups, and they feel that you are now emotionally very overwhelmed now. You have no more love to give them, and you're looking out to see maybe there's somebody better out there for you, and that's making them feel very rejected, very bored with life, feeling very overwhelmed now because they've lost the love of their life. Yes, maybe you guys are not communicating and they feel that, you've kind of released this toxic behavior of theirs, or you see them as a toxic person, and that's the reason you're no longer wanting to communicate with them. This person is right now feeling very abandoned and left out in the cold. So let's take a card for this. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. They're wishing and hoping to one day, as soon as possible, end this fight with you now, Cancer. They are hoping, wishing, praying that they can have some kind of clear communication with you and come forward to you once again and show you that they can be the person that you deserve. Now, earlier they were coming out as a Knight of Wands, and they made this Queen of Pentacles go in reverse, right? But now they want to be matched this Queen of Pentacles and say, hey, listen, we can be together once again. I will show you that I can change, I can reform because I'm not happy without you. I miss your love. I want my Queen of Cups back again in my life. And yes, they are totally obsessed right now, thinking of how they can get you back. So let's take some messages from their heart. If they could say something, what that would be. Cancer's person spirit, if they could say something now. So the first card I have an addiction. Yes, this could be any kind of addiction. I did see the devil card here. So maybe it was drinking, maybe it was third party situations, it could be not wanting to commit, any kind of fear, maybe anxiety, it could be drinking, could be anything. So this person is saying, I didn't want to commit at that point because I have an addiction. Or maybe they're just addicted to you, Cancer, who knows. I want to hold you and never let you go. Yes, you could be the addiction that they have. They suddenly realized how much passion and how much love they have for you, and now that you've kind of left them or not showing your love, they've suddenly woken up to the fact that, hey, this is the person I can never let go of. They want to hold you and never let you go. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. This is what they want to tell you today, Cancer. So let's take one card from the masculine in this dynamic towards the feminine. Masculine to the feminine spirit, if they could say something. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. Yes, you are the obsession, Cancer. They can't stay away from you for too long. And now that you've walked away, now they're getting pulled right back into your energy. They've tried to, play this, scattered hero, I would say, who keeps dipping in and out of your life that, I'm not ready yet, I don't want to commit right now. But now that they've lost you, they realize that they can't walk away from you. They just kept getting pulled right back in your direction. I miss you so much that it feels like there is real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. Okay, so that ego of theirs is still very, very strong. Yes, they know you're the one. They're sitting in their misery, feeling left out and abandoned, but maybe they're not being able to tell you because they are embarrassed to show you how they really feel right now. But we know, right? So let's see what the feminine would like to respond. Feminine to the masculine here, Spirit. Feminine to the masculine. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? Feminine's having a little bit of a trouble believing that, seeing their past behavior. They've never shown you they love you. They've never really taken this relationship to the next level. And just when the feminine, I think, has decided, hey, let me go see what else is out there. Now, this is the question. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? Then why didn't you show me all this while? I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. The feminine does have a lot of love. It's just that this masculine never showed. Even now they're coming across and saying, I do love you, but I'm not going to show you. But we know the truth, and the feminine is still holding space, still wishing and hoping that one day, magically, this person will transform and we can be together and I can just lay my head on their chest and listen to their heartbeat. So this walking away has been because of unhappiness of knowing that this may not be possible. But somebody is waking up here. Let's take some true confessions as well from them. Let's see what, if they could confess something, what that would be. I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile, remembering you. They're obsessed with you. They are, wherever they're going, I think they're only getting signs about you now, Cancer. I'm so sorry that I caused you so much pain. You changed up and that triggers me. Yes, you changed up, you found your self-worth, you found your self-respect, and you decided to move on, and that's what's triggered this masculine into waking up to realize who they really love now. So that's what's in their heart space today, Cancer. I hope this worked for you. Let me know, please. And till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.